wanine aina si no na Amokwe TV tata anye bialo na nke papa anyu the traditional prime minister of Imerienwe Ngor-Okpala local government area in Imo State High Chief and Dr. Sebastian Ejim was tata hamelo empowerment inyalo ndị ọ na-enwere korafa ndị elders no ndị na-agụ akwụkwọ enyelo scholarships a ga-enyelụkwa ndị dịkwa nwụrụ anwụ aka n'ụbọchị nke tata ọ na-abịa ka anyị nọ wee na-eme ha niile nyenwa bụkwa onye isi na Omemma Foundation anyị wee fụ mama anyị wee sị ka anyị gbanụ ya ajụjụ ọnụ ka anyị malụkwa obi dị ya biko ka ikene ndị na-ege anyị ntị n'ụwa niile
traditional prime minister and the Imerienwe, but Omemma in the sense that he reaches out to the underprivileged. He doesn't eat alone. The wife is my younger sister. Both of them are based in the US. They funded it in their to help people that are underprivileged. And that is why they do this every year. Normally it's always on the 12th of January of the year. They came in just to make sure that this thing is today. It's because, it's a pet project that is so attached to, that gives him concern, and that's his own way, their own way of giving back to society. That's their own way of appreciating God. That's their own way of thanking God for what He did for them. They are US based, and if you ask, not everybody has made it. It takes time, for you to find your feet when you are there. But to the glory of God, I would say they are an exception. And they're an exception in the sense that my sister, Chika, also known as Somobaradia, member to the military. She got there just like every other person. She found out that the degree she went there wouldn't help her find a job. She did nursing, BSc nursing, she did MSc nursing, and then she did a PhD nursing. That's what she did. She's a PhD holder in nursing in the US and US. And it's not just an easy task. So ordinarily she could make all the money and decide to, use it for vacation, live a frivolous life, because at the end of the day we are the only ones, benefiting from whatever it is God has given you. But they decided otherwise. They decided that people should benefit from whatever God has given to them. So they instituted this foundation. They need the underprivileged, which includes the widows, the orphans, and those that couldn't pay their school fees, that couldn't and cannot to reach out to them, to give them hope, make sure that even if life dealt harshly to them, but they will have that hope that somehow, somewhere, there's somebody that remembers them. So that's why we are here to support them. If they don't come, maybe sit down and appreciate what they're doing. But if you see the crowd here, you see the beneficiaries, and you see the supporters of this
na-ege anyị ntị echefuna ị na-akwado Amokwe TV ebe ọ bụla ị nọ